So when I first started noticing I was balding, it was at a quite early age, in my early 20s. And of course that made me think about how I would look in the future, how quickly I would be losing my hair. And also throughout the years, as I started losing my hair, I started thinking about, at this pace, when will I be bald? I never thought of it as the end of the world, I think, but it was still something that was bugging me. I guess that's kind of part of your male identity, maybe, that you have hair, and how are you going to look without hair? Am I going to look completely different? And also when you see people on the street, you start thinking about it. That could be me in 10 years, or how do I look compared to that guy, something like that. So while it's not a very big issue, I still think that if you are unhappy about something and that you obsess too much about how you're going to look later on, maybe just do something about it then. I found Harklinikken randomly, I guess, when Googling, and from the very start I liked the option. It looked natural, and I think there was also a high success rate, which was something that I, of course, found attractive. You don't want to be using a lot of time if you're not going to be seeing the results. It was also something I did because I had scalp issues. My scalp was itching. I didn't really know why, but I noticed that it was itching, and I think I got used to it as if it was something natural, just an itch in the scalp from time to time during the day. But I became aware that it wasn't, so we've also been able to look into this. So it's very nice that it's not itching anymore, of course. Now I've been doing the treatment for 3 months, and it's been a positive experience overall. At first I kind of had to get used to the routine and everything, but I got into it quickly, I think, and it became part of my routine very quickly. And it's not something that feels like a hassle. It's just a daily part of it, what I'm doing. So that's good, I think. I didn't expect to see that good results that quickly. I mean, if you look at the photos, you can see that less of the scalp itself is visible. I'm obviously very happy with that, and looking forward to going on with the treatment. It's something that makes you want to keep going with the treatment.
Hear more stories from our community at harklinikken.com.